The brand sent me these laundry detergent sheets, and what I like is that they are lightweight and easy to store. And they've been really simple to use. Instead of liquid or pods, you just take one sheet, tear it if needed, and toss it straight into the washer. They dissolve completely, even in cold water, so there's no leftover pieces. What I like most is how much space they save. The whole pack replaces a big bottle of detergent, and it's great for small laundry rooms or keeping a cleaner shelf. They're also perfect for travel since you can just bring a few sheets instead of packing liquids. The scent is a light linen fragrance, so it leaves clothes smelling fresh without being too strong. I have used them in a front load machine and they've worked smoothly. If you want something mess free, easy to measure, and a lot more compact than traditional detergent, these sheets make laundry feel a lot simpler.